we're going to Quezon City today. Yes, so we're gonna travel for 2 hours and 13 minutes plus kasi may mga stopovers pa tayo. So, we're here sa NLEX. Magla-lunch muna kami.
Ako, makakalabas ka ba dyan?
I'm excited to go to the Manila. There's swimming pool.
Yeah. Katatapos namin mag-lunch sa Banacol. First time namin doon. And masarap siya. Nyap, nyap, nyap. Try niyo. So we're back on the road. 21 minutes back. Going to QC. We're going to the 8th floor. That's their lobby. We're here in the 19th floor.
Yeah.
This is our room, 1906. So this is a 1-bedroom deluxe.
Wow!
As you enter the room, on your right is the toilet. Ayan, there's a mirror and a hand and body lotion, soap, and dental kit. And there's the toilet,
In the shower.
towels, and the shower. Then shower. You can see their shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo.
And then, there we go.
And ayan ang kanilang shower. And pagkalabas sa CR, ayan na. Ayan yung entrance, and then here's the kitchen. And there's a fridge. Ito bago to. Sa mga hotel na napagstayan namin. May jug ng water. And then, ayan. May hugasan, kamay. Kettle. And then, microwave. So, inside, there's glass, mga cups, pitcher. And then yan, nilalagyan ng mga plates, bowls. And then sa other side, may mga bowls and plates. And then there's induction stove. And then here, cabinet, cutleries. Ayan. So, pwede talaga kayong magluto here. Para siyang Airbnb. But it's a residence hotel. So, here na tayo sa dining area. 4-seater table. A telephone. Sofa. And the TV. And then the whole body mirror. So, here pala, when you open this, pwede ka maglagay ng luggage inside. And then dito sa taas, more storage. Ikaw nang bahala kung anong gusto mo ilagay. And the one beside it is, yan, shoe rack. And then we go to the bedroom. Here is the king bed. And then a TV rack. And then the TV. Here's the rack. Phone, another phone. Hi, baby. Here's the view from the bedroom. So, here in the bedroom, sa cabinet, merong plancha, tsaka kabayo.
Pero yung halimbawa,
On the other side, dyan mo pwedeng ilagay yung clothes. And meron pa siyang hamper.
may information na yun. Kumbaga,
There's blower. And here's the toilet. Connecting siya from the bedroom and sa sala. Hi guys, so it's 6:45 p.m. na and we're going out to have our dinner sa Junkie. Matagal ko na siyang gustong puntahan and this is our chance.
And we cannot bring Bam Bam here. He's not allowed.
Yeah, Bam, it was our turn. So this is the first floor. See? Baka pwede siyang i-rent.
Mama, can I ride?
Hi! We're back from our dinner at Junkie. Masarap siya guys, lalo na yung jjajangmyeon. And yung spicy chicken. Grabe, get it. Ang lalaki rin ng serving, so worth it. Hindi siya ganun kamahal. And namili kami ng ice cream dun sa tabi ng Junkie. May Korean store doon. Dito na lang namin kakainin sa hotel. So, yun lang. Good night, everybody. See you tomorrow. Good night. Good morning. We're going to Alejo restaurant sa ground floor for our breakfast. Kasama siya sa aming package.
And I'm gonna eat pancake.
Yeah, pancakes. So we're going to Opus Mall. It's 33 minutes away from here. We're
Go
gonna...
to the playhouse.
yeah, she's gonna play in the playhouse. We're gonna book a Grab.
In the
Yeah.
a slide and Mama, do you want to
We are back here at the hotel. Galing na kami ng Opus Mall. Nag-playhouse lang si Via doon and nag-merienda kami sa ano yan? Matcha Tokyo. Tokyo Matcha.
How about me?
It's very traffic pauwi dito sa Citadines. So, mga almost 1 hour din yung biyahe. Ganun ka-traffic.
And I'm calling Indian when I call it.
Yeah. Maulan nga pala dito ngayon. Malamig sa labas. Yeah. Hi guys! So naka-check out na kami. Mabilis lang yung process ng check out. Kanina pala nag-breakfast buffet kami. So until 10:30 yung breakfast. So yun na rin yung
How about me?
lunch. Bale, brunch na siya.
We're going in the hot house now.
Yeah, we're going home na. So,
Hot
yun.
house.
We enjoyed our stay. Kapag babalik kami dito sa QC, pwedeng dun ulit mag-stay. Kasi nagustuhan namin siya. Bye! Bye! See you guys on our next vlog. Bye-bye!
Me. Bye-bye.
Oh, ayan pala yung ABS-CBN there.